This is just an uphill battle that I seem to be losing every single day. And some days it just doesn't seem like it's worth the climb. That's where we're at today. So I gotta get my house and my life back in order today. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey and you are on the channel by Corey Elizabeth, where I share home organization tips, decluttering, and cleaning motivation. In today's video, I am going to be getting my life and house back in order. I've been doing some bigger decluttering projects the last week and the weather has just been so beautiful and we've been spending a lot of time outside, which is really wonderful, but unfortunately, it has left my house kind of a disaster and I think it's at a point of no return. There's going to be a lot happening in this video today with lots of cleaning motivation, and just for fun, I timed myself to see how long it would take me to clean my entire messy house. So make sure you stick around until the end to find out how long it actually took me to get my house back in order. I'm going to be folding a mound of laundry, showing you how I spot clean my rugs, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing a pumpkin Kodiak cake muffin recipe. And spoiler alert, it is toddler approved. So I hope you find this video inspiring and motivating. And if you did find it helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, my house was absolutely wrecked. My cleaning schedule fell apart this week, and to be totally honest with you, I haven't felt super inspired to clean this week. I did declutter my entire wardrobe, and that just took up a lot of my energy. And I guess we all just have our off weeks. And this week has just felt like such an uphill battle, not worth the climb. But I am feeling motivated and inspired to get my house back in order so my family can relax in a clean and tidy space. Perhaps you came to this video for some gentle motivation, so I am inviting you to get out the vacuum cleaner and do some cleaning of your own with me today. So before I get started cleaning today, I am going to throw my mop head and a few other cleaning supplies in the washing machine. Pro tip, make sure you have a clean mop head prior to a big cleaning day or have a few extras on hand, which I will be doing from now on. Now, I really slacked last night and I did not run my dishwasher, so I'm just going to fill it up all the way and run it. And unfortunately, I still have dishes in the dishwasher, so we're going to be doing a couple loads today. So while my son is sitting in his high chair eating breakfast, I'm going to tackle the downstairs bathroom that has honestly not been cleaned in a few weeks. I'm going to give this bathroom a really good scrub, clean the toilet, Lysol the floor, and clean the walls because you can imagine how dirty white walls get in a bathroom. I'm also going to wipe down the trash can and basically clean every single surface of this super dirty, disgusting bathroom. This toilet is foul. I mean, it is like, it's disgusting. I'm just gonna Lysol the floors too, baby. I hate cleaning this bathroom more than any other room or bathroom in my house. This bathroom gets so dirty and it's, I'm not even going to show you the toilet bowl because of how disgusting it is. So I'm editing this video a few days later and I am just laughing at how bad my attitude was at the beginning of this cleaning day. I think the dirt and grime were just really affecting my mental health, and it just proves how your surroundings can really affect your mood. I finished cleaning the bathroom by mopping up the floors with a small amount of Dawn dish soap and water, and after it was clean, I felt so much better. I recently hopped on the kitchen lamp trend, and I would have to say I am really loving the low light that the lamp provides. It just gives my kitchen a cozier feel, and it adds some visual interest to my all-white kitchen. So if you have watched any of my other cleaning videos, then you have probably heard me rave about this foaming wall cleaner. I like to keep my cleaning supplies very minimal, but this wall cleaner has become a staple in my cleaning routine. I'm actually kind of obsessed with it, like on a weird level. I never really noticed when my walls were dirty before, but now I'm weirdly addicted to cleaning the walls. They look so new and fresh after using this cleaner. I am just obsessed. This area here always gets so dirty since my son loves to throw food at the wall and window, and this is an area of my home that I need to clean at least once a day, sometimes multiple times per day. So when I say it feels like such an uphill battle, this is one of the areas that I'm referring to. But like I say about my windows, someday I won't have thrown food to clean up and I will be very sad. So I'm just going to remind myself how lucky I am that I get to clean up my son's food. I know that cleaning, while it is self-care, can feel like such a daunting task, and we don't always feel motivated to clean, which is why my house hit this point of no return. But sometimes a simple mindset shift can help overcome a bad attitude towards cleaning. For me, I had to remind myself of all the blessings in my life, like a son that is healthy and active and exploring his world by throwing all the Tupperware on the floor. Or my dogs, while they leave a ton of hair and contribute to the messes, my home would feel so empty without them. Or even just the fact that I have a kitchen to cook wonderful meals in and a pillow to lay my head down at night. These are all things that I need to remind myself of daily, but especially when I start to feel overwhelmed with keeping up with my home. Let me know if you resonate with any of this, and I would love to know what some of your blessings are in your life, what you're thankful for. Let me know down in the comments down below so we can all celebrate our own blessings. So obviously with kids and dogs, our carpets and rugs get pretty dirty. We received this Bissell Spot Clean a few years ago as a gift, and it works wonders to spot clean stains on our rug. We've been able to get all kinds of stains out with this handy machine. So if you're looking for something to spot clean your rugs, then this is a really good option for you. The only caveat is that it doesn't work so well on upholstery. So if you are looking for something to clean your couch, this might not be the product. And if you have something that you use to spot clean your couch, please let me know, because our couch is absolutely trashed at this point. And as always, any products that I mention, I will have linked down below for you guys. But if I forgot to link something, just let me know in the comments and I will get that for you guys. So I'm just finishing up the kitchen by cleaning off any obvious stains on the kitchen cabinets. These are the high traffic areas that need cleaned pretty regularly, especially around the trash can area. This area always gets so dirty for obvious reasons. So I feel like I am cleaning these off probably 3 to 4 times a week. But that's just one of the downsides of having white kitchen cabinets. So I actually haven't mentioned this on my channel yet, but we are going to be building a new home. And I've always loved white kitchen cabinets, but I'm kind of feeling like I want something different for this new home. So if you have any good recommendations for colors, let me know. Drop them down in the comments down below. Now that my son is asleep, I am going to quickly clean the toilets upstairs. I like to get the toilets clean while he is asleep because he is very curious and loves helping, and for obvious reasons, I really don't want him anywhere near our toilets. Normally when I clean toilets, I will just use a bit of Dawn dish soap and water, but every once in a while I do like to Lysol them, and honestly, I should probably just Lysol them every time. Let me know what you guys do, how you clean your toilets. I would love to know what your process is. Luckily, my son is taking a long nap today, which is great. Normally, he's a chronic 30-minute napper, so I am getting to finish up the bathrooms, and then I'm going to quickly mop the stairs while he's asleep, since that is a task that rarely gets done because I don't want him playing on the stairs, and I do a lot of my cleaning while he is awake. So now we are going to move on to my bedroom now that he's up, and I am going to actually wash my comforter and do a ton of folding of laundry. I like to wash my comforter at least once a week, which is probably excessive, but I've talked about this before. My dogs do sleep with us, so our comforter gets very dirty very quickly, and it's just something that has to be done on a regular basis. I love putting on the time lapse when I'm folding clothes, even if I'm not making a video, because it just makes me feel so good. I'm actually really slow at folding laundry. My husband is the fast one. He can fold clothes in like 5 minutes, and it takes me like 30 plus minutes to fold clothing. I don't know. He's just really good at it. But even if you don't make videos, put on a cleaning time lapse and it will just make you feel so much better. And as I was straightening up my son's room, this uphill battle that I'm climbing just keeps getting steeper. My dog decided that he wanted to chew something up in the hallway, so yet another mess that has to get cleaned up. And then the final touch of getting my house back in order is to mop the first floor living area. Normally I like to use my Power Dash floor cleaner, but my son was taking his second nap at this point and I did not want to disturb him. So good old-fashioned mop it is. Now take a guess how long it took me to get my house back in order. So it took me 6 hours, 19 minutes, and 29 seconds to get my house back in order, and honestly, I did not even get it all done. But now that we are finished, it's time to mess up my clean kitchen and do some pumpkin Kodiak cake muffin baking. So for this recipe, you are going to do 3 cups of Kodiak cake mix and add that to obviously a mixing bowl. The recipe called for 2 cups of sugar, but I added only 1 cup because this is going to be a snack for my toddler and I just don't want him to have that much sugar. Then we are adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I did not have that, so I used 1 teaspoon of allspice, and that turned out okay. It probably would have been better with the pumpkin pie spice, so I'm going to try that next time. And then just 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix all of the dry ingredients together. Now for the wet ingredients, I like to add them to a separate bowl. We are going to do 1 can of pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that together. 3 eggs. Mix those wet ingredients together, get the eggs all nice and broken up, and then you are going to add your wet ingredients to your dry. Use a mixer if you have one. I don't have one, and it was kind of hard to mix together. And the reason that it was not mixing together, I realized, was because I didn't add any milk. So I'm going to go ahead and add a splash of milk here. Now just add the batter to your muffin tins and you are going to bake them for about 22 to 25 minutes. And once they are done, let cool for 5 minutes and then serve them either on their own or with butter. My son absolutely loved these, so these are going to definitely be a staple in our fall baking. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope it gave you the inspiration that you were looking for today. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I will see you on the next one.